Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're showing you the location and how to remove and replace the ambient air temperature sensor on our 07 Mazda 3. So if you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. On this particular car, someone's been in here before trying to reinforce the undercarriage splash shield. So they have a lot of aftermarket hardware. There's various from 13mm sockets to 8 Phillips screwdrivers. So it's your vehicle, if it's factory, are different sizes. And if you've done some repairs or you have a used vehicle, you might have different sizes. So it all varies. There we go. The front splash shield and the back splash shield are stuck together because this bolt is completely rusted in the clip. I'm going to take them both down together, and that way I can access the backing clip a lot easier. So to access the ambient air temperature sensor, we've taken our splash shield down, and then I'm going to reach right through the grill, and there's a plastic clip, a little pinch clip. I'm just going to pinch that, take it off the bracket, and then we have access to them. And they come as a pair, by the looks of it. I'm going to push down on this clip and wheel it off. It's got a lot of road sand in there. You can hear it. So I'm going to take a little screwdriver and wedge it in there. All the sand. So disconnect that one. So it looks like they do come apart separately. I'm going to pinch the clip. Pair of pliers, push it through. Reassemble, get your new switch sensor, snap it in, make sure it's clean, slide it on. Bring it back up, locate that bracket, and push it through. I'm going to reassemble the front splash shield. Put this one up first. I'm going to put the center bolt in first. There's 5 total here. Guide everything up. Looks like this. The end tabs go over the plastic. Yeah, that one fell into place naturally. Now I can stop my bolts. I'm probably going to tighten this one. Okay, that one's in. There we go. This side shield's broken. Doesn't help when the bumper's been crushed a little bit. There we go. Sweet. There should be 4 of these, 2 on both sides, but the passenger side, the inner fender wall has been cut out and missing, so I'm going to use some plastic wire ties. Someone already pre-drilled some holes, so I'm just going to put them right through the body clip. And one on the front. Cut the ends off. Yeah, get that clip in. And there you have it, we're done.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.